Here is a step-by-step action plan of deep work tailored for you. Step 1. Define your deep work philosophy. Clearly define what deep work means to you and why it's important. For example, if you're a software developer, deep work might mean coding for extended periods without interruptions in order to make significant progress on a project. Your philosophy might be that deep work is essential for you to produce high-quality code and advance in your career. Step 2. Set specific goals. Identify specific, measurable goals you want to achieve through deep work and create a plan to achieve them. For example, if you're a writer, your goal might be to complete a chapter of your book every week. If you're a software developer, your goal might be to complete a specific feature of your project by the end of the month. Step 3. Schedule deep work blocks. Set aside dedicated blocks of time in your calendar specifically for deep work. Make sure to protect these blocks from interruptions. For example, you might schedule a 4-hour block of deep work time every morning, from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. During this time, close your office door, turn off your phone, and eliminate other distractions. Step 4. Eliminate distractions. Identify and eliminate sources of distraction, such as social media, email, and notifications. For example, you might use a browser extension that blocks social media sites during your deep work time, or turn off notifications on your phone during deep work sessions. Step 5. Use a timer. Use a timer to track your deep work sessions and stay focused for the entire duration. For example, you might use the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break, and repeat. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider giving it a like. This helps to increase visibility on YouTube, allowing others to benefit from it as well. Thank you and enjoy the remainder of the video. Step 6. Take breaks. Take breaks at regular intervals to rest your mind and recharge. For example, you might take a short walk outside or meditate for a few minutes during your break time. Step 7. Track progress. Keep track of your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Reflect on what's working and what's not working, and make changes accordingly. For example, you might keep a journal to track your deep work sessions, and reflect on your progress at the end of each week. Step 8. Prioritize deep work. Make deep work a priority in your life and schedule other activities around it. For example, you might schedule meetings and other non-essential tasks for after your deep work sessions, so that you can fully focus during your dedicated deep work time. Step 9. Learn to say no. Learn to say no to non-essential tasks and activities that don't align with your deep work goals. For example, you might decline an invitation to a networking event if it conflicts with your scheduled deep work time. Step 10. Reflect. Reflect on your progress regularly and adjust your deep work practice as necessary to continue making progress towards your goals. For example, you might review your progress at the end of each month, and make changes to your deep work schedule or eliminate distractions that are preventing you from making progress. We appreciate you watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. To receive notifications of similar videos in the future, we suggest subscribing to our channel. Remember, progress requires action, and we created these videos to make it easy for you to take action.